Hi, so this is going to be a K4 last layer example solve. And so I finished the first 3 layers, and so now what we need to do is solve the corners. The best way to do this would be using CLL, but if you don't know it, you could do it in 2 steps of OLL and PLL. So I don't know CLL, so I'm going to orient them, and then permute them. So all the corners are solved. And now we have the edges. And for the edges, what we're going to do is we're going to do 3 cycles with commutators until it's all solved. So first thing I would see is that this blue is matched up. So I'm going to take this blue, move it in here so that this is all solved. So to do that, and I also see that if we take this red, if we do a 3 cycle like that, it will take this red, put it here, which will solve it too. So we're going to do a 3 cycle. So we're going to, commutator to do that is to bring down the blue like that, bring down this red here where it's going to go, and then bring it over, see, and then put it back up, and then our red's over here, and since we need our red to go up here, we'll move this over and bring it down, and then bring this red in and put it up. And then, so now what we need to do is just turn that back and turn this up. So we still have our first 3 layers solved and everything in our corners, and now this blue is all done and that red piece is done. So now what we need to do is swap these 2 pieces with each other and these 2 pieces with each other, and then the cube will be solved. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this 3 cycle, so that to there to there. So same thing, down, down, over, up, and I know it's not oriented properly, and then bring this over, down, bring that over, up, back over, and then like that. So now orange is solved, and then we have these 3. So we're going to cycle around these 3. And so this red has to go here. So we're going to put that down, but this time, because it's not oriented, we're going to do a double turn, which will orient it. And then we're going to bring this red down, bring this in, put this up, like that, and then bring the green over, up, or over I should say, up, over, and then undo our double turn. And so now we've solved the last layer using OLL and PLL for the corners, and a few commutators and 3 cycles for the edges.